Hi guys, Alec Peirce at the ranch with another problem. I don't know what the problem is. I seem to have problems every day. I think it's got something to do with my beautiful wife Diana. That's another story. Anyway, the problem today is I need to know how tall the flagpole is. Now when I first put that flag in, somebody told me, the guy I got it from, I think, that the pole was 50 feet long. And it's 2 or 3 or 4 feet off the ground because I have holes and cement and pile of rocks and so on. Anyway, I need to know the exact height of the flagpole. So it used to be I would probably shimmy up that flagpole, but that's not going to happen, not now. So I got to measure the height of that flagpole. That's the point. How do we do that? It's roughly between 45 and 55 feet tall. How do I measure it reasonably accurately? It doesn't have to be to the exact inch. Well, there's an easy way to do it. If you're any good at mathematics, this will make sense to you. Come with me. Okay, here we are. We're all set up to measure that flagpole. It looks funny, huh? I'm going to measure a 50-foot flagpole with a 2-foot post. Now, hang on. So you get a piece of something, doesn't matter what it is. If it's a little bit wide, it's better because it has to throw a decent shadow. So you need a sunny day, few requirements, a sunny day and a tape measure. That's all you need. And you drive the post into the ground. Now I put this in here and it's almost exactly 24 inches, 2 feet from the ground to the top of this post. And it's sunny, or it will be in a minute. So it throws a shadow out like this. Now I've got this here for another reason, but I want to know the exact end of the shadow and I can't see it unless I have something white. Here comes the sun. So you can see the shadow being thrown out there. And now if I put this in just the right place, where's my hand? Can't quite, there it is. It'll be better in just a minute. I got to find the exact end of that shadow. Okay, there it is right there. Can you see that, Di? There it is right there. Right there. Right there. There's the end of the shadow right there. Okay, so we measure from the bottom of that stick to my finger, and that is 20 inches. 24-inch post throws a shadow 20 inches long. Remember that. 24, 20. Okay, let's go to the flagpole. Okay, here we go, nice and sunny. So now I got to find the end of the post. Let's just see there. There's the flag. Right there, it's tied right there. So the end of the post, you got to get out your flagpole measuring stick. I'm going to put that right there where I think the post is. Right there is the end of the post. So that's the shadow of the flagpole. Ends right here. So this piece of tape goes from the bottom of the flagpole on the ground right along to here. And it reads 37 feet. 37 feet. You got that? What was the other one? 2420, right? Yes. Okay. 37 feet. The shadow is 37 feet long. Okay. Now we got to do some math. Come on, we're going to the shed. Okay, all right. Here we are in the classroom out of the garage. And now I'll just quickly show you how you figure it out. So I had a 24-inch stake, and it cast a 20-inch shadow. Okay, so you put 24 divided by 20. Now you don't really have to work that out. If you do work it out, it works out to about 1.2, I think, something like that. But you put 24 divided by 20, and then the flagpole through a 37-inch shadow, 37-foot shadow. And so 24 over 20 times 37 equals 45, very close to 45 feet. So in fact, our flagpole is not 50 feet tall, it's 45 feet tall. Now maybe I missed a little bit on there, but there is the idea. If you're need a rough idea of how tall something is, you need to know, be it a tree, doesn't matter what it is. That's what you do, put a stake on the ground, the height of the stake, divided by the shadow it throws, times the shadow of the item you're trying to measure. And you get the height. That flagpole is roughly 45 feet tall. That's all there is to it. And that's good. Anyway, maybe there's something in there you guys can use. Talk to you soon. Alec Peirce at the ranch. Bye-bye.